Yeah, hello guy. This is the robot I talked about. This is the robot I talked about. You could see my entry, my trades that I just do the video now. You see the market, the robot just entered a trade for me right here. You see it. This is crash 1000. I just waited for it. The robot just entered a trade for me here right now. See my profit. Also on crash 500, a trade has been activated. A trade has been activated. This is crash, what is that? Crash boom 500. A buy trade has been activated now on boom 500. You see a buy trade. A buy trade has been activated here. A buy trade is activated right here. So it is going to buy. Look at even if you don't use it to, if you even if you don't allow the thing to work by itself, you could actually work by yourself. You could actually use it on yourself by trading. When this movement turns to red, you sell. You see it was selling. When the movement turns to blue, you buy. Okay, and that is what that robot is doing. The robot actually buy when this turns to blue. You could see where the entry exited. The robot entered the trade by himself, and it entered it when the stuff turns to blue here. Okay, you see it is going up. All right, and that is how the robots actually work. You could set your take profit, but I would like you not to use it to trade spike. Okay, not to use the robot to trade spike. Okay, you could actually change your take profits. You can set your take profits by clicking on the robot at the edge here. At the edge at this point, this is the robot here. You could double click, double click on it and change the take profits. Change the take profits of your market so that it will set your take profit for you. You have to scroll down and check where take profit is. The parameter of take profit. Look at take profit here. Take profit is not no value is given to it, so you have to add your take profits, how many candles you want to take for it to exit you in profit. You have to set your take profits. Maybe you want to take 5 candles and all that, then you have to add it here. Let me five candles should be 5,000, right? It should be, let me add 5,000, and I'll click OK. Okay, so it will set my take profit for me. I need to set take profit. Let me see if it sets it, or let me readjust it. Okay, let me adjust it. You could take profits at just any point you want. Set your take profit for yourself. Okay, because this is a bot, it takes profit by himself, so you don't want to be wasting time looking for it. So you take your profit, and if you want to change the lot size you want to use, or you can also change the lot size that you want to use. You can also change the lot size you want to use. Let me change this thing again. Maybe this is high. Okay, let me add the profit to be 2,000, and I'll click on done. Okay, I've set that as my take profit, and when the market actually, if another order is opened, then it will be very good. Look at it. Even if you don't use you don't trade with the robots, you can trade by yourself. You can trade because this robot come with a setup. You could see the movement of the blue and the red. Blue, now it turns to blue going upward. You could arrange by now. We're entered here and we're taking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, you can taking your 5 candles and you exit if you are trading manually. Okay, or you set your robot to give you take profit at 5 candles, 10 candles, and all that. That is how it work. Okay, I don't recommend you use it to trade against spike. Look at that boom. That boom that was against spike, it is still going down, even though it's how to spike. It's how to spike because this thing is already on blue. It's had to spike. It entered the trade here. it should spike actually. Okay, but that's why I don't use it to trade spike. I only use it to trade candles. I don't trade spike with it. I don't trade spike with it. Okay, so guys, this is how it work. This is how it work, guys. This is how it work. Okay, this is another software to trade step index. This one is for step index. You could see I also use it to trade crash and boom and crash. Also it entered my entry here, and it is still moving up. See, my take profits is around here. See, take profits around here. That take profits, and it's moving upward. It's entered the market right here. But this one is meant for the step index robots, but I use it to trade boom and crash as well. Even volatility index market, I also use to trade it. Okay, so this is what you have. This is for step index. It has no setup for it, but the one for these ones have setups for them that you can actually trade without the robot itself. You can use this setup and the chart to trade as an indicator of a buying signal. It turns to blue, you buy, turns to blue, you buy, turns to blue, you buy. Okay, that is it, guy. All right, thank you so much. And let me show you how to set your take profits if you want to do that, so that it should not be a problem later. You come to the indicator right here. If you insert it, you come to indicator and you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I'm gonna set take profits. You set your take profits. Here is take profits, okay, and stop loss. You could set your take profits here. Okay, take profits is first one. Stop, anything you call it, you take profits, you put it. Okay, and if you want to you want to trade your profit, maybe you want to trade your profits, you come to the trade here at the point here, right click on it and click on what is it called, trailing trailing stop. You now check how much points you want to. Let me say that is 10 points, is 10 candles. I will input 10 points. So when it says I move 10 points, it will be trailing my markets. After 10 candles, it will add the take profits. Or let us put 5 points, 5 point trailing. Okay, so after five points now, it will be my stop loss will increase somewhere there. Okay, that is how sweet this strategy can be. That is how sweet this strategy can be, guys. All right, that is it, guys. That is it. All right, thank you so much for watching.